Welcome back to Front Seat Driver. My name is Jason. Got the C8 sitting out in the driveway. Today we are going to be talking again about the C7. Got some great new products from AMT Custom Designs. We'll go ahead and show them to you right here that we'll be putting on. Two of them are already on because they're really simple, so I'm just going to let you see those here in a second without an install because it's really not important. What I want you to see is the quality. So we have some door props right here and we have a hood prop. And let me tell you, the quality on this is fantastic. They are made of metal, and the Vette Syndicate, I had them made with Front Seat Driver and Vette Syndicate, and these are not stickers. It's not vinyl laid over the top of it that could peel off in time. It is actually under a clear coat. So let me show you how high the quality is here, man. They are absolutely fantastic. I don't know if you can kind of feel it or see it. You have raised lettering right here, man. It's, because of the gel coat that goes over the top of it. But, man, they are absolutely fantastic. And those of you that know me, I'm a big fan of Eddie Van Halen, and I believe it was 1979 he had the Bumblebee guitar. And so I've got some other stuff on my C8 as well with this same type of design. I actually have the door props for my C8 with the same design. But, man, I really liked that Eddie Van Halen guitar, and so they went ahead and made this for me in the same pattern. And, of course, again, underneath the clear coat. So these are really nice and solid as well. But the other thing that we'll be installing is the lower heat extractor. We're going to get this cover on. And let me tell you it's underneath there. It is not over the top of it. Looking fantastic. Luckily, the good news is it's very hot and very humid. The first day I had available to do anything, and we have ridiculous weather. But here we go. So you see, just kind of hooks in right there. It goes down, it'll hold it in place. I mean, obviously, I don't really need this because, with the shocks, it stays up on its own, but it's something cool, something that looks good for a car show. Then you have your door props as well. Got this one with Vette Syndicate, which we are having a Vette Syndicate Corvette show here May 31st, Texas Harley in Bedford, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. But anyway, so this is great for the car shows because it allows people to be able to see the inside of your car without actually entering your car, which I have seen in the past. But again, the door props right there, and right here we have the hood prop. Looking proper. So we are going to be installing the other cover that's going to go right across here, and it should be as simple as sliding it in and then just pulling this little seal back and laying it over it. If not, the screws right there, I'll take it, I'm going to pull it out, and then I will install it and then slide it all back in. But I was told by a friend of mine who has done this before that that's how simple it is, so let's find out. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're just going to slide this inside this section right here. And as you can see, it'll have this little hump area, which is right here. Just going to slide it in. Like I said, we're going to look and see if we can do this without having to remove these two bolts. It seems like it should work, but we are going to find out right now if it does. It seems like it is. And if so, this is one additional super easy mod. And yes, that is it. Look how simple that is. All right, guys, that's going to do it. What do you think? From the top, Corvette Racing, and the yellow is a fantastic match. The hydrocarbon, but super easy install. And of course, look at all of the other great stuff. All of this engine appearance products right here are from AMT Custom Designs. And let me tell you, this piece alone completely transformed the engine bay, in my opinion. But check out the cool caps as well. They're just magnets. Boop, goes right back on. How cool is that? But man, these look really good. I cannot wait for our next car show to be able to show all this off. But anyway, that's going to do it. I hope everybody has a great week. Thanks for watching.